There are numerous Linux distributions out there, each catering to different needs and preferences. Let's explore some notable ones. Debian, a distribution emphasizing free software supporting various hardware platforms. It uses the .deb package format and the dpkg package manager. Ubuntu. Based on Debian, Ubuntu offers regular releases, a consistent user experience and commercial support for both desktops and servers. Variants like Kubuntu, KDE, Lubuntu, LXQt, and Ubuntu Mate cater to different tastes. Fedora. Known for its bleeding-edge features, Fedora focuses on innovation and collaboration. It uses the RPM package format and the DNF package manager. Arch Linux, a rolling release distribution with a minimalist approach. It provides a customizable experience and uses the Pacman package manager. openSUSE offers both Leap Stable and Tumbleweed rolling release versions. It uses the RPM package format and the Zipper package manager. Sentos, a free community-supported version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. It's stable and widely used for servers. Manjaro. Based on Arch Linux, Manjaro provides an easier installation process and user-friendly tools. It's great for both beginners and experienced users. Linux Mint. Built on Ubuntu, Linux Mint focuses on user-friendliness and comes with various desktop environments like Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. Zorin OS. Designed for ease of use, Zorin OS resembles the Windows interface. It's great for newcomers transitioning from Windows. Pop! OS. Developed by System76, Pop! OS is optimized for performance and gaming. It's based on Ubuntu and uses the GNOME desktop environment. Remember, this is just a glimpse. There are many more Linux distributions out there, each with its unique features and community. Explore and find the one that suits your needs.